Bitcoin balls, this is big. Let me show you something. All right, guys, okay. See what's going on here on the screen? This is big, this is significant. All right, let me calm down and explain properly. Bitcoin balls, this is potentially huge. All right, I'm calming down a little bit. Now I'm here at the setup. So guys, if you've been following my streams this week, you remember, right, we've been following these movements through some sort of live trading updates and analysis. We've been following these movements and sentiment was softer because the Bitcoin bears were really going in for the kill at one point earlier this week. We saw some significant downside because general sentiment was soft after a couple of news stories. Not one particular catalyst, but a couple of things to note. Firstly, we had the big blockchain bridge platform Wormhole. They were exploited for a chunky $326 million.
You hackers, you thieves, you thieves.
Where's my money? You gonna give me my money?
So that harmed sentiment. It just softened sentiment just because people were a little bit worried. You know, that's a huge potential hacking there, and that sort of thing does kill market sentiment. And then we had Mark Zuckerberg's, Mark Zuckerberg's Reality Labs. You know, he's building, you know, this whole metaverse, this whole new virtual world, and they report in terms of the financials some heavy losses.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
So those two things harm sentiment. But then the following session, the following day, we had Wormhole's parent company Jump Trading saying they're jumping in to backstop some of the funds to prevent the chaos across the blockchain with Solana, because it's a chunky amount of Ether and Solana that was stolen from the network, so from the platform. So they jumped in, providing a backstop for those funds. So that sort of calmed the markets a little bit. And we started to see a bit of recovery. Now, just want to explain things technically here, starting off with Bitcoin here via the weekly. I always like to use Bitcoin as the base case for the rest of the market because we're seeing green across the board as I record this on Saturday. If you look, here's a reversal candlestick, and I explain this in my streams. This looking like a bit of a morning star. Now, our morning stars form at the bottom of the trend to indicate that we're going to see a shift back to the upside. And then obviously that's validated, that's a technical confirmation when we get a closure the following week above that morning star. And as you can see at the time recording this on Saturday, we are sort of pushing above that candlestick. So we could start to see a big shift in momentum. Yeah! Now, I just want to put this on a daily chart. I want to show you, obviously we've been firmly trending to the downside, and as I've covered in my previous videos, right, we had these nice sort of consolidation patterns, breakout, consolidation pattern, breakout, consolidation pattern, breakout. Really easy sort of day trade or to margin trade, and that's where, as I said, it comes into hedging your physical cryptocurrency portfolio, the holdings there, and hedging that and looking to you know, accommodate with some gains that we make in our margin trading. Now, you can see with the trend to the downside, we've been respecting this descending trend line that's been in play since November. The various taps there, these are always validated. We want at least 3 taps to confirm that this is a thorough or a valid trend line, and so have we seen that. Now, why is it significant? Why am I getting so excited? Because we've broken above this trend line, okay? So long as this holds above, okay, that's a bullish confluence. So long as we hold above that psychological 40K mark, that's another bullish confluence for me. So now what we'll be keeping an eye on for really real to regather that far upside momentum.
Let's go!
Remember how we had this left shoulder, this head, this right shoulder? If we can break back above this neckline area, boy, are we going to the moon! So keep an eye on that. Real significant movements being observed here. Guys, as a reminder, please do give me a follow on my Instagram. Make sure you're following CoinCasso's Instagram, and then also this is a big opportunity as well outside of these movements in cryptocurrency, because our portfolio is going up and down, you know, for every day, so on and so forth. Now, when it comes to investment, it's key to diversify. Why not get involved in an exchange, invest, become a part owner in exchange? Now, there's this massive opportunity of CoinCasso where you can part exchange, own the exchange, invest in the company, regardless of the whether the market's going up or if the market's going down. Cryptocurrency exchanges are always gaining, okay? So you have the opportunity to invest. Click the link in this description. Go to invest. The campaign's going live soon on Cedars. So you can check out CoinCasso's mission, the product, the benefits that you'll get as a potential part owner, merchandise, NFTs, gaining of course as well as the cryptocurrency exchange makes money, so on and so forth. So really key to diversify and a potential opportunity there. So click the link in the description and get involved. And guys, keep me motivated. Smash up that like button. Please do subscribe to the channel. That's what drives me in providing you content. Other than that, have an amazing one. Let's get it.